My name is Captain Sixto, and then I miss and report, and then I will fly up to the airplane, and then I will fly away in the rocket ship only.
Tila good vibes ang hatid ng bunsong anak ng celebrity couple na sina Marian Rivera at Dingdong Dantes na si Jose Sixto Dantes o mas kilala natin bilang Ziggy Dantes. Isang nakakatuwang video ni Ziggy ang nirepost ng aktor na si Dingdong Dantes sa kanyang Instagram stories kung saan kuha ito mula sa ibinahaging video ng isa sa closest friend ni Dong at Marian na ninong din ni Ziggy. Makikita natin sa video na poging-pogi at cute si Sixto na nakasuot ng isang cap habang tila ipinapakilala ang sarili bilang Captain Sixto. Hinangaan din ng mga netizens ang galing ni Sixto sa pag-i-Ingles sa murang edad pa lamang nito na 4 years old. Samantala, sa isang video naman na naibahagi ay makikita naman natin na bibong-bibo na kumakanta at naggi-gitar si Sixto habang tuwang-tuwa at super proud naman sina Marian Rivera at Dingdong Dantes na pinapanood ito ang anak na si Ziggy. Talaga nga namang pinatunayan lamang ng mag-asawang Dingdong at Marian na hindi lamang sa kagandahan at kapugian meron ang kanilang dalawang anak na sina Zia at Ziggy kundi maging sa pagiging talented din ng mga ito na talaga nga namang hinahangaan at kinagigiliwan ng marami. Ang nakakatuwang video ni Ziggy Dantes narito panoorin natin.
My name is Captain Sixto, and then I miss and report, and then I will fly up to the airplane, and then I will fly away in the rocket ship only. I have rocket ship only, but my van is still there, and then there's a weapon for my Batman. Okay, bye guys.
Very good.
I have beef in the Kenneth Rose. We have you, Daddy, and a great job for work. And then he was coming to the planet Krypton. We can go to planet Krypton on the world. Here's our Daddy and me. I love you, Daddy. Planet Krypton.
Wow, I love you so much. Love it.
It was a song for your daddy?
Wait,
you were nice to... The popcorn.
Look at your mama, so beautiful, oh.
Ano pa yung mo bilis?
Sige.
Super.
Grabe.
You know, for police ba yan?
Yeah, malabig.
Walang case.
Ninang, we're having a movie night.
Is that popcorn? Is that popcorn?
Alright, let's do it.